Come on, man. What are you waiting on?
Let's be careful.
Didn't even feel that. Come on, let's get to work. Enough playing.
Yeah. Alright. Alright.
Go ahead. You start it off.
Really? You want me to?
I'll do it. It doesn't matter. You can if you want. But anyways, y'all. We've got this little 289 out of the green car. We're gonna tear it down, get it ready to go to the machine shop, and we'll walk you through the steps. And it's always easy to take stuff apart. It's just the hard part is putting it back together. But like I say before, we'll take pictures of how the brackets and everything, because it'll be a while at the machine shop. So
Yeah, they have like 28 motor.
yeah, we got a lot of engines at the machine shop right now. We got I don't know, I can't even remember. That's why we take pictures, because your memory fades over time.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll get pictures of everything, and we'll start tearing apart the front of the motor first, and then we'll pull the distributor, the carburetor, valve covers. We'll work our way from top to bottom. Pull the heads off, then we'll flip her over, take the oil pan off. But anyway, I'll let y'all watch.
Yeah. I mean, that kind of professional today, don't we?
We got a nice setup, don't we? Yeah. Austin's got his new magnetic trays. These things are pretty cool. They're real strong, super strong magnets.
That one right here.
Your dad gave me one of them.
Oh, cool.
One of them right there.
Nice.
Can't even get the washers off though, they're so strong.
We had some fun with that. We had some fun with them. Hey man, try to get this off a little bit. Nice. That's long. Anyway, I guess we should
Yeah, pretty strong.
start this.
Yeah, we'll put our boats right here before we put them in the bag. One at a time.
Okay.
Yeah, so we'll start by loosening the tension here on the belts, all the tensioners. Take the belts off, pull the pulleys off, and then alternator, power steering, water pump. I'll go ahead and pull that harmonic balancer and crank pulley.
No, I have
Austin's
something
gonna
down
do
there.
it. The mechanic Austin. Austin the mechanic.
I'm missing right here something.
He ain't missing nothing. Better not be.
What?
Better not be.
It is not going to be.
Stand up and push on it. Put your weight on it. Alright, easy. What size is it?
9:15. What?
We'll leave it loose and we'll take the bracket off with it.
What?
We'll leave that bracket on there. We'll take it off once we get this pulley up. Give me a 5/8. Go ahead and see that boat right there. Loosen that boat and loosen that boat.
Okay. said loosen, right? Just loosen.
Yep.
That's all right. Oh, I'm gonna set this in time lapse now.
Alright.
Two 9/15 wrenches.
What's up, y'all? We're back. So we got the alternator, bracket, alternator, power steering pump bracket. Well, this stud right here holds the power steering pump on. So Austin asked me how we gonna get that out of there. So I figured it'd be a good time to stop and explain a little bit. On a lot of the newer cars, let's see. So on the newer cars, on the end of these studs here, on newer Chevy motors anyways, I don't know about a whole lot of other, you'll see there you go.
Yeah.
So that's what you call that is an E-torque. Usually there's a spot there you can put one of them on there and back it out. But on these old school motors, you just take a couple nuts, lock them together. Let me see that wrench on. So take your two nuts, put them in there side by side like that. I had to take a wire wheel, clean them threads up, so I can get these nuts to go on. But you want to lock them together, turn them into each other, and then after that, you want to use the back one, and that stud will turn right out of there. Just like it. She's a little rusty. See that? That chassis
Oh,
we
yeah,
got
the
done?
chassis.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Pretty nice, huh? We'll go show y'all that.
Yeah, so this is done.
That OBS chassis over there that Jim's been working on. A lot of people think that Jim don't do anything around here, but he does.
Yeah.
He does a lot. He can keep that job in that office, that's for sure. I'd rather be out here in the shop any day. That's how you get it off. Lock your two nuts together. I don't know if you can see that or not.
Yep, you see it.
So just jam them together and use the back one to screw it out. That's easy. We'll put that in the a bag with the
Bag.
power steering bolts.
Yeah.
Nuts.
And the bolt that goes right here.
So next we'll you still recording us?
Yes.
So next we'll just I think Austin already loosened the clamp up, but we'll go ahead and pull the water pump off and make sure we slide this under here so a little water's gonna come out. And then I'll get the harmonic balancer puller, and when we get there, I'll show you guys how to properly remove a harmonic balancer without tearing it apart. And then you'll take these two Remember, just like on the other,
Yeah.
on the 302, and then this whole housing will come up, I believe. No, I'm wrong. You're right. Yeah, just take those three and those three, and then this, and this. Yeah, and the water pump will come up.
I need a wrench. Well, it's all good.
Go ahead and time lapse, and if you get to one that's starting to get tight on you, we'll record, and I'll show the proper way how to not snap a bolt off. But sometimes it happens. Even if you do everything you can not to snap it, it's sometimes water pump bolts snap because water will leak down on them and they'll rust and just snap. They'll just be gone. Feel pretty smooth.
Yeah, pretty smooth.
Pretty smooth. All
Alright,
right, go ahead
you're
and
going to break it
go ahead
somehow.
Go ahead and time lapse. I think they all gonna come out pretty smooth. But if you get to one that's tight, I'll show y'all what to do.
Okay.
Exhaust bolts, water pump bolts, and intake bolts that are close to the water ports are notorious for breaking.
Alright, make sure we crack these open, Matt.
I gotta get another bolt out, so I gotta pull this off to get to it, or you can,
Oh.
you can get to it right there. You already got your bolts out. What'd you do with them?
Got it.
I forget to label that.
Oh yeah, I forgot.